Okay, updating in Elite Extra an address. So we actually have a customer where we meet them at a Walmart. Our system sends over their actual address, which we may want to change to the shipping address so it sends over the correct one. So effectively what we're doing is we're going to meet them over around here. Right around here. And they're actually over here. So they're going to, because they're a little too far for our delivery area. So it's a real simple process. I'm going to go ahead and grab the address of that Walmart, and I'm going to edit it here. So hold on 1 second while I grab that address. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is select Edit. And as you can see, it pulls up this screen here. We need to... what we really need to do is actually change the customer destination. So we need to get into the customer record. We just need to select on their name. It pops open another tab. And as you can see here, we have their actual address. So we'll go ahead and change that. Okay, and now that I have the address in there, I'll hit geocode address, and it looks for it over here, and this is really important, so it actually updates the address that the driver is going to. So we should be good. We'll hit submit, and the address will now be updated. And oh yes, it is. It's right here, 3040 College Park Drive. So we are good. And we'll go to look at our map. We now see a little red dot over there and with their name on it. So we can verify that that is the actual location. And that's it.